Number one, the word thrilling is adjective that means existing and enjoyable. For example, the book is thrilling adventure story. Number two, the word drama is noun that means a play for the theater, television or radio. For example, a costume or historical drama. Number three, the word popcorn is noun that means a type of food made from grains of maize, corn that are heated until the burst, forming light with test balls that are then covered with sap or sugar. The word to outline something to somebody that means to give a description of the main facts or point involved in something, a sign, sketch. For example, we outline our proposal to the committee. The word stimulate is noun that means to make something develop or become more active, to encourage something. For example, the exhibition has stimulated interest in her work. The word retrieve something from somebody or something that is the verb that means to bring or get something back, especially from a place where it should not be recovered. The word exhibit is noun that mean an object or work of art put in a public place, for example, a museum, so that people can see it. The word purchase something from somebody that means to buy something. The word toll free is adjusted of television call to an organization or service that means that you do not have to pay for. For example, a toll-free number. The word handy is adjusted handier or handiest. That means easy to use or to do, style useful. The word honor somebody with something is verb that means to do something that shows great respect for somebody or something. For example, the president honored you with a personal visit. The word electoral is adjective that means connected with election. For example, electoral system or reforms. The word climate is noun that means a general attitude or feeling, an atmosphere or situation which is in a particular place. For example, the present political climate. The word implication for or of something that means a possible effect or result of an action or a decision. For example, the development of the site will have implication for the surrounding countryside. The word upcoming is adjusted only before now, that means going to happen soon. For example, the upcoming presidential election. The word accompany is verb that means to travel or go somewhere with somebody. For example, his wife accompanied him on the trip. The word fascinating is adjective that means extremely interesting and adjective. For example, a fascinating story or subject. The word precede is a verb that means to happen before something or come before something or somebody in order. For example, the mayor entered preceded by members of the council. The word session is noun that means a period of time that is spent doing a particular activity. For example, the teacher taught a class during the summer session. The word result from something is verb that meant to happen because of something else that happened first. For example, job loss resulting from change in production.